In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a mirror cap on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located on the side mirror. Let's get started. Using a plastic trim tool, get under the mirror cover on the bottom, popping it out of place. Going to be 2 clips on the front. Pull it up and out of place and remove it from the vehicle. Install the new mirror cap, starting in this back right corner. Getting it installed to the top first. Pushing it into place. And snap the bottom clips in. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.